Ramadan. How are you all doing today? Unless you are isolated or living on an island populated only by yourself, you will interact with people every day of your life. Therefore, you are continually creating and developing relationships with the people you know and meet. Mostly, this is done without conscious thought. But whether it's a parent, partner, child, friend, or the greengrocer, these relationships don't just happen on their own. Why do these relationships have to be managed anyway? It seems so calculated and premeditated. Why can't they just happen and evolve in their own way? You do your job, they do theirs, and somehow you meet in the middle. Sadly, it doesn't work that way. Managing people effectively does mean a bit of calculation, premeditation, and work on your part. The reason this is so is that relationships cannot be allowed to get static. To work well, they must continually develop and grow. A good working relationship is a dynamic one. This is the way they avoid becoming stale and falling into predictable patterns, which is when mistakes are made. Every relationship is unique, and people come together for many different reasons. Part of what defines a healthy relationship is sharing a common goal for exactly what you want the relationship to be and where you want it to go. And that's something you'll know by talking deeply and honestly with your partner. However, there are also some characteristics that most healthy relationships have in common. Knowing these basic principles can help keep your relationships meaningful, fulfilling, and exciting. Whatever goals you are working towards or challenges you are facing together. I'll briefly touch 3 of them here. 1. You maintain a meaningful emotional connection with each other. You each make the other feel loved and emotionally fulfilled. You keep outside relationships and interests alive. No one person can meet all of your needs. In fact, expecting too much from your partner can put unhealthy pressure on our relationship. To stimulate and enrich relationship, it's important to sustain your identity outside of the relationship. Preserve connections and maintain healthy relationships with family and friends. Second, the most important attribute in any relationship is meaningful communication. You are not afraid of respectful disagreement. Some couples talk things out quietly, while others may raise their voices and passionately disagree. The key in a strong relationship, though, is not to be fearful of conflict. You need to feel safe to express things that bother you without fear of retaliation, and maybe to resolve conflict without humiliation, degradation, or insisting on being right and vice versa. The most important and potent tool in our relationship is shedding ego. Also, once you resolve an issue, move on with a clean slate and the life can be very simple and smooth. Keep smiling, be calm, and stay safe.